If you're tired of the endless cycle of sweeping, mopping, and scrubbing, it's time to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Enter the Kenmore 2-in-1 Steam Mop Hard Floor Cleaner, a versatile cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle everything from hard floors to carpets and upholstery. With the Kenmore Steam Mop, you can say goodbye to chemical cleaners and hello to a spotless, sanitized home. In this in-depth review, we explore its features, performance, and why it's a must-have for every household. The first thing you notice about the Kenmore Steam Mop is its sleek, ergonomic design. The vibrant green color is not just eye-catching, but also signifies its eco-friendly approach to cleaning. Built with swivel steering, this steam mop glides effortlessly around corners and under furniture, making it incredibly easy to maneuver. The lightweight construction ensures that you can carry it from room to room without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of the Kenmore Steam Mop is its ability to convert water into superheated steam. This powerful steam can remove 99.9% of dust and bacteria from your floors, providing a deep clean that traditional mops don't match. This is particularly beneficial for families with children and pets, as it ensures a safe, chemical-free environment. The Kenmore Steam Mop offers 2 steam levels, allowing you to customize your cleaning for different surfaces and messes. Whether you're dealing with delicate hardwood floors or tough, dried-on grime in your kitchen, this steam mop can handle it all. Simply switch between the high and low steam settings to match the cleaning intensity to your specific needs. One of the most innovative features of the Kenmore Steam Mop is its detachable handheld steam cleaner. This feature extends the versatility of the mop, allowing you to clean a variety of surfaces beyond your floors. From kitchen appliances and window seals to children's toys and pet accessories, the handheld unit makes it easy to sanitize and refresh virtually any area in your home. The Kenmore Steam Mop comes equipped with an array of tools to enhance its cleaning capabilities. Included are a bristle tool, angle tool, and scraper tool, each designed to tackle specific cleaning challenges. The bristle tool is perfect for scrubbing away stubborn dirt. The angle tool helps reach tight spaces, and the scraper tool is ideal for removing dried-on messes from ovens and microwaves. Additionally, the package includes 2 washable microfiber pads, a carpet slider for soft surfaces, and a water cup for easy filling. One of the biggest advantages of the Kenmore Steam Mop is its ability to clean effectively without the use of chemicals. The superheated steam alone is enough to break down grime and sanitize surfaces, leaving no residue behind. This is not only better for the environment, but also ensures that your home remains safe for everyone, especially those with allergies or sensitivities to cleaning products. The Kenmore Steam Mop is not just for hard floors. With the included carpet slider, you can steam clean carpets, rugs, and upholstery, refreshing and sanitizing these surfaces as well. This makes the Steam Mop a truly all-in-one cleaning solution for your entire home. Whether it's your living room carpet, bedroom rug, or even your sofa, this Steam Mop can handle it all with ease. Maintaining the Kenmore Steam Mop is straightforward. The washable microfiber pads can be reused multiple times, reducing the need for frequent replacements and making it a cost-effective choice. The mop's compact design also means it can be easily stored in a closet or laundry room without taking up much space. The quick-release cord wrap allows for hassle-free cord management, keeping your cleaning area tidy. In real-world use, the Kenmore Steam Mop impresses with its performance. Users have praised its ability to cut through tough messes and sanitize surfaces effectively. The 2 steam settings provide flexibility, and the handheld steam cleaner adds an extra layer of convenience. The swivel steering is particularly appreciated for making it easy to clean around furniture and in tight spaces. Final thoughts. The Kenmore Steam Mop 2-in-1 Steam Mop Hard Floor Cleaner is a versatile, powerful, and eco-friendly cleaning tool that can transform your approach to home maintenance. Its ability to clean and sanitize without chemicals, combined with its multi-surface capabilities, makes it a standout choice for any household. The convenience of the detachable handheld unit and the variety of included tools further enhance its value, making it a must-have for those seeking a comprehensive cleaning solution. If you're looking for a steam mop that offers superior cleaning power, versatility, and ease of use, the Kenmore Steam Mop is the perfect choice. It not only meets but exceeds expectations, ensuring your home is clean, sanitized, and safe for your family. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.